At least 25 people are dead, and 47 more have been injured after a train crashed and burst into flames while coming into a station in Egypt. The train was traveling from Alexandria, Egypt's second-largest city, into the capital Cairo on Wednesday morning when it hit a concrete buffer at the end of the track and exploded. Ramses station, Egypt's busiest, was completely closed following the blaze as investigators were sent to the scene to establish how the crash occurred. Mohammed said, the head of the Cairo Railroad Hospital, said the death toll is expected to increase. Heavy black smoke can be seen rising into the sky at the scene. The Daily Al-Ahram newspaper said the train crashed and the fuel tank exploded, causing the fire, but details have not yet been confirmed. Witness Mina Ghali told Reuters, I was standing on the platform and I saw the train speed into the barrier. Everyone started running, but a lot of people died after the locomotive exploded. I saw at least 9 corpses lying on the ground, charred. Egypt's railway authority has halted all arrivals into the station until further notice. Footage also showed fire engulfing the train and a nearby platform and people rushing to help the casualties. Ambulances and rescue teams were dispatched to the site, medical sources said. Any person found to be negligent will be held accountable, and it will be severe, Prime Minister Mustafa Maghbouli said as he arrived at the site. Egyptians have long complained that the government has failed to deal with chronic transport problems in the country, where roads are as poorly maintained as railway lines.